We count on continuing now with a lot more animals in Richmond County needing a home tonight. Repairs to the animal shelter are forcing Augusta Animal Services to temporarily cut down on their intake of stray and surrendered dogs. News Channel 6's Ann Maxwell live there at the shelter on Mack Lane with a lot more details. Ann?
Hey Brad, so starting on Monday, repair work will shut down half of the shelter here. Just temporarily though, but in the meantime, Augusta Animal Services is doing everything they can to get the animals housed here now into permanent homes elsewhere. By the end of the week, Augusta Animal Services needs some of these dogs out of here.
Half of the shelter is going to have to house our animals we have up for adoption.
It's because the waterproof coating on the concrete floors in half of the kennels is peeling. Crews are coming to repair it on Monday.
We need to have a non-porous surface so we can clean and get the germs up, and we don't want any kind of debris underneath the surface or germs.
The process should take about 2 weeks. In the meantime,
basically we're down to half a shelter.
Right now the shelter is more than half full, but by Monday it needs to be less than half full. On Tuesday the shelter stopped taking stray and surrendered dogs, and they won't be taking any more until after the repairs are finished. But there are some exceptions.
It will handle the strays that we pick up because they're aggressive or they're in harm's way. Cruelty cases, bite cases, all of that we've got to put in half a shelter basically.
To clear the kennels, Augusta Animal Services is offering a deal. You can adopt a pet for just $25.
Our pets are spayed, neutered, up to date on their shots, microchipped, and the dogs have been heartworm tested. And that's a tremendous deal, tremendous savings.
Again, the deal continues throughout the repairs, which will start on Monday and last about 2 weeks. And all of the dogs you saw on your screen tonight are available for adoption. So if one of them caught your eye, now is a good time. For now, reporting live in Augusta, Ann Maxwell, WJBF, News Channel 6.